And welcome to Strasbourg, everybody. Good day, everybody. Good afternoon and good evening. Today is another traveling day at last. Finally. First travel, guys, of this year. So, first namin to travel and ano lang to, one day travel lang to, guys. Yeah, one day tour. But outside of the country, we are going to Strasbourg, France. Yes. Punta tayo ng France. And it would take us about 3 hours, guys. To go there is 3 hours and to go back is 3 hours. So, saglit na kami doon because I just want to buy something there. When we got it, then we will go back directly to the house. So, yun lang ang pakay namin doon. Nasa Frankfurt pa kami. So, it will take us about 3 hours pa. It's already 11:15 a.m. Supposedly 9 a.m. Magsa-start na sana kami. Pero late kami gumising. Mga 10 ata. So yun. But anyways, okay lang naman kasi malapit lang naman yung Strasbourg dito sa Frankfurt. Dito sa Germany. So, yun nga, 3 hours lang siya. I was there matagal yun guys. 2020 pa ata yun. So, this is our first vlog in Strasbourg and hope you will enjoy it. And of course, I will enjoy it. So, okay.
Frankfurt hatte vor dem Krieg die größte Fachwerkindustrie.
Papasok lang kami sa dome guys, pero ang daming naglilinya. Pero madali lang naman to kasi wala namang masyadong control. Ang daming tao today. I think kasi tomorrow siguro holiday dito eh. This is my second time here. Oh, ang ganda pa rin niya. And we're going here. So, ayun na po ang ating Strasbourg tour. Charot. Diba, ang laki niya. Yan. And welcome to Strasbourg, everybody. Kakain muna kami. We don't have breakfast and lunch yet. We will look for something to eat na, guys. Nakahanap na kami ng aming place where to eat. And then, yan yung dome, guys. Yan yung dome. Where? Nasaan yung bandong? Yan yung part ng dome. Diba? So, order muna kami. Ano kayang kakainin natin?
Bonjour. Merci. Ça fait pas du bon. We drink. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Uminit siya, guys. As in, yeah.
Das ist was wir
Okay. Do,
Lachs. Ich will nicht.
nein, ich will keine, nicht mit Lachs heute. Ang hirap naman dito. Buti na lang may English, subtitle. Dumating na yung drinks namin. Coke lang kay partner, guys. You know na magdadrive kasi siya.
I have to drive.
Yeah, you have to drive. Thank you. Oh my God, ano itong order namin, guys? Oh. Kain po tayo. Ito lang order namin. Diet kasi kami. Charot. Ang tawag nito, guys, is Flammkuchen daw to. Alam niyo yung, conscious kayo kumain kasi madaming nakatingin. Tapos ang hirap pang kainin ito. Ang laki pa. Magpapalit kami ni partner.
Oh.
Yung flavor ng kanya is different sa akin. Para matikman ko din yung sa kanya. Para lang naman siyang pizza, guys, pero yung lasa lang niya is iba lang talaga. Umunit na siya. Kanina ang lamig. Kakamayin natin yun kasi para hindi tayo mahirapan. We have our dessert. Apple cake, guys. Is this apple with ice cream and cream?
Yeah.
Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. But we're looking for somewhere pa, guys, kasi bibili pa kami ng macarons. Lakad-lakad muna tayo saglit, guys, kasi medyo pa naman, maaga pa naman. May hinahanap lang ako na store dito.
No.
Ang haba-haba na nilakad namin, guys. At saka itong mall na to, dito kasi yung macarons na. Pero I don't know why, bakit sirado yung mall nila dito. Wednesday pa naman, guys. At saka ang daming tao. And then close. Yung mall na yan, dyan. Oh, dyan talaga sana ako bibili. So that means maghahanap na lang kami. Then on the way na to sana namin sa sasakyan. Pauwi na din naman kami. Close talaga yung mga store Wednesday afternoon. Pero sabi ni partner, baka daw Wednesday afternoon, close talaga sila dito. Kasi close talaga yung yung H&M, may Uniqlo. Tapos itong Deichmann. Wednesday pa ha, hindi holiday. Pero close talaga. We have to look, lang guys, bakery. Kasi doon, sure na merong doon, macarons. My God, guys. I suggest don't come here Wednesday afternoon. Everything is closed. restaurant lang talaga open. So we will check in the internet later what happened here in Strasbourg. My good, pabalik-balik na kami ng daanan kasi naghahanap na lang kami at least bakery. Tapos yung bakery dito na malaki, closed din. Look at this, like this one, open sila. Pero yung store na yan is closed. At last, may nahanap kaming macaron, pero ang daming tao, ang taas ng nilakad namin, mahanap lang to. So, nandun pa yung order, tsaka yung lines namin, kami yung pinaka-last. Finally, after 50 years of, guys, roaming around looking for the bakeries or something, nakuha na namin yung macarons. So, hindi pa namin na-try. Try namin mamaya. I have headache now. Because of, closed kasi guys, I cannot do shopping because it's closed, So ayun, baka may alam kayo bakit closed sa Wednesday. Closed ba talaga dito every Wednesday or every Wednesday afternoon? Please let me know. Para hindi na kami babalik dito ng Wednesday. So, dito na tayo nang galing kanina. The first round was here to the car.
You remember this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I don't.
So, papasok tayo dyan guys para tayo sa kabilang side. So, dito tayo papasok. Ito yung bridge guys. Siya, medyo historical talaga. May mga sila dito. Meron silang mga each dito para siyang kulungan. If you will walk down there, may mga piece dito na pang guys, mga dyan. Anong tawag nito? Diba? Meron din siya. Dito din sa side nito. Meron din. Dun din sa unahan. Dun pa kasi yung parking house natin. Dun sa may banda pa. So dito sa side ito guys is iba naman. Yan sila. And here also parang matagal na to. And then sa ilalim na to guys is ito na yung river. Then hindi siya masyado kita pero yan, river na siya, diba? So
and in former times they could lift this up.
Yeah. So okay.
So
okay. Nasa bahay na kami guys. Anong petsa na? Anong oras na? Guys, it's 9 p.m. guys. Yes, 9 p.m. na. Umalis kami 11 a.m. ata yun. So, lang talaga. One day tour lang talaga kami doon. Hindi din naman siya gaano kalakihan. Tapos sa downtown lang talaga kami pumunta. As not expected guys, na-shock talaga ako na close today yung mga stores doon. Diba? Wednesday na Wednesday. Tapos close. Hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit. Ipapasearch ko mamaya kay partner pa malaman natin kung anong nangyari doon. Bakit? Kasi bukas pa daw ang holiday. Bakit ngayon sila nag-close? Anyways, before ko to i-end yung ating vlog for today, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung bakit kami pumunta doon sa Strasbourg, France at kung anong rason kung bakit kami pumunta doon ng one day tour lang. 6 hours ang drive ni partner pala guys. Back and forth. Kasi 3 hours papunta doon tapos 3 hours pabalik. So diba? And tumatawa siya. Kasi nag-drive talaga siya. And sabi ko sa kanya, we have to go there, we have to go there. Pakita ko lang kung ano ang binili namin doon. Ito lang naman. 10 ang binili namin. Try ko lang ha. Nahugas ako ng kamay ha, bago ako nag-start ng vlog. Iba pa rin talaga pag fresh, pero same taste talaga guys. Sarap na sarap. I like it very much. Yeah, naghahanap talaga kami nito guys. Grabe. Grabe yung lakad namin kasi 5 hours kami nagstay doon sa Strasbourg, sa city. Kasi naghahanap talaga kami. Neto. Eto lang naman, uy. Eto lang naman. Ang macarons nila. Eto lang naman talaga yung... Actually guys, hindi ito talaga yung expect na bibili namin. Meron pa to, ito, kasi kinuha namin yung lahat ng yung lahat ng flavors. So lahat ng flavors 2 each yung kinuha namin. 'Di ba yung mall na pinuntahan namin close? Kasi doon talaga yung first time na bumili kami ng macarons. Tapos yung croissant doon talaga kami bumili. Tapos gusto ko talaga yung balikan ulit. Pero nga, close. Buti na lang nakahanap kami. Dalawa actually guys, yung merong open pala na bakery, dalawa. Hindi ko sure na makakain ko ba to, pero may flavor to eh. Basta may flavor guys, chocolate, raspberries, mayroong ano pa ba do? Ano pa to? Hindi ko na alam guys. May coconuts pa, tapos mayroong coffee, eto. So hindi ko pa siya makain guys kasi ang gusto kong kainin right now is noodle soup. Gusto kong mainit na noodles tonight kasi yung nakakapagod. Tapos hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam. Tapos meron pa ditong pistachios. Kasi hindi nakasya siya sa isang box. So dito na lang nilagay sa baba ng babae. So may pistachios. Yung white, dalawa to eh. Is yung isa, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. I think ito is coconut. I'm not sure. Tapos ito may dalawang Sige na nga lang, itry ko nga tong chocolates. Chocolates lang itry ko guys kasi gusto ko talaga ang chocolates. So try ko lang chocolates. Kung same pa ba din yung taste. Parang naman worth it yung pagpunta namin doon. Worth it yung paghahanap talaga namin nito. Diba? Sana worth it talaga. Check natin. You should try the white one. What is that? Coconut or something? You don't like it?
No.
What's this?
Vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla. But the first one, last 2020, that was the best one.
Yeah, this is not so.
Kasi guys, yung binila namin last time, maliit kasi to. Yung malaki talaga, malaki siya na macarons yung binila namin. So, chocolate? Try daw yung chocolate. Kung anong lasa. And kasi nga, 'di ba? Iba talaga yung taste niya. Mas masarap talaga yung yung first one. I mean, yung first time na na-try namin. Well, at least meron tayong nabili doon. Hindi na ako kakain. I will not eat because I want noodle soup. Meron pa actually, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Behind this.
Eclair.
Kumain na siya habang nagda-drive kanina. Eclair ang pangalan nito. Coffee to. So, I think this is caramel, right?
I don't know. I thought
Or coffee.
yeah.
So, ayan siya guys. So, meron din siyang dyan palaman na hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Ang ganda ng nila na box. May pa-box pa. I don't know kung saan dito ang coffee at saka caramel. I think this is caramel or I don't know. And the other one is coffee. I will try this. Try natin to guys.
Very delicious.
Ang sarap. As in. Same taste before na nakabili din kami nito. But, as I've said guys, I want noodle soup. Kakain din siya ng caramel.
Oh, wait.
Coffee.
Wait.
Try na nga lang ako din. Diba?
Yeah, caramel.
Ako. So, this is mine. You ate already yours. So guys, diba? 6 hours of driving, 5 hours of staying, so 11 hours for today because of this. Because of this. Diba? So ayun. Worth it naman. Eclair. Eclair is, guys, good. Yung macarons, hindi siya masyado, guys, hindi siya masyado. Ito, pistachios. Oh my God, kumakain na naman ako. I want noodles.
Ja, Teig ist nicht gut.
Yeah, the first one was so, oh my God. Kaya nga eh. So we have to search and look why they're closed today.
I think you want to go there again tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow, my God. We will go there again, definitely, pero we don't know when. Kasi I want to eat again the same macarons. Yeah, yung same na binila namin last 2 years ago or 3 years ago ata yun. So guys, ayun. Yun lang po ang ating vlog for today. Maraming salamat po. 9 PM na nga dito at I want to eat something hot soup, And guys, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like this video. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na po kayo. And thank you for subscribing. Just click the subscribe button. And of course guys, bell button naman para kayo ma-notified every time na meron tayong new uploads. Thank you po again. And until in my next vlog, ingat! Cheers!